You are using Pro Features CapCut problem solved. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to solve you are using Pro Feature problem that you are facing in your CapCut account. So basically just simply open the CapCut application in your device, and after that just start a new project or the existing project, whatever you want to edit in the CapCut. And as you can see that I don't see any problem which says you are using Pro Feature in my account. But if you select the Pro Feature, so for example you are using any Pro Feature in your CapCut account which has not updated or subscribed to the Pro version of the CapCut account, and once you have the Pro Feature in the CapCut account and you don't have the subscription for the Pro Feature, and then when you will export your video in the CapCut account, you will be able to see the problem which says that you are not using Pro Feature in the CapCut. So in order to get rid of it, all you have to do is just simply use some feature which are not related to the Pro Feature of the CapCut. So you can simply use effects or animation or style or any effects in the CapCut account which is not particularly related to the Pro. Just simply use the normal features and effects in the CapCut, and then you will not see that problem. So this is basically how you will be able to fix you are using Pro Feature CapCut problem in your CapCut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.